Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF files to JPG. As you can see, I have a few PDF files here that I want to convert, so let me show you exactly how to do it. Alright, now go to Google and type PDF to image converter. Click on the first result that appears. Then click on Select PDF Files and choose the PDFs you want to convert. Here's my PDF, and if you want, you can click here to add more files. You can also choose the image quality, normal or high. I'm selecting high. Alright, now click on Convert to JPG and wait for the download to finish. The download is done. As you can see, my PDF files have been converted to JPG. Let me show you. Look, they're all converted perfectly. And that's how you convert your PDF files to JPG. Thanks for watching.